I come from a medical background. I worked in tumor immunology, physiological psych research. I was education director for the American Lung Association, consultant to 3 presidents on public health. I had moved back to Michigan and didn't have a chiropractor locally, so I called the president of Palmer College of Chiropractic, the world's largest chiropractic institution, where I used to be a department head, and asked him who he would go to in this area. And he said that he didn't know the area well enough to know where it was, but that Joe Lupo was a fellow who didn't go to Palmer, but who he would recommend, which in itself is unique. And gave me the name of the head of the Chiropractic Association, and also the another fellow who was the head of the Chiropractic Board of Examiners and here in Michigan, and told me to call them, and both of them immediately said I would only go to Joe Lupo. And so I found Joe Lupo, and here I am. Now recently I broke my foot, had it surgically repaired, broke it again, had it surgically repaired, didn't walk for the better part of a year. And my foot is flared out at a 45-degree angle, and they told me it would never be normal. Since I've been seeing Dr. Joe, my foot has spontaneously started to move back towards center. And my MD physicians are amazed at it. And my orthopedic surgeon can't believe it, but he sees it, and it's very hard for him to deal with, because he is anti-chiropractic, because the chiropractors do without surgery what he has to do with surgery and doesn't do as well. The last I heard, my MD, my primary physician, is now referring to chiropractors. There's lots of reasons to try chiropractic. The reason to go to Joe Lupo to be your doctor is simply because he's one of the finest. And health practitioners are like baseball players. Some are little leaguers, some are minor leaguers, some are big leaguers, and some are Hall of Famers. Well, I prefer to have a Hall of Famer taking care of my health. So that's why I'm here. And that's why I would recommend him to anybody, and have done so.